How to know new check-in on your page on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find new check-in on your page on Facebook app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Facebook app. Now go to your page by click on those three lines and you're gonna find your page here. Now all you need to do is you have your this list, scroll over and you're gonna find overview, click on it, and here wait for a second. You can scroll down and you're gonna find page activity. Now all you need to do is you have those zeros. Instead of 0, you're gonna find a number. That number is number of your new page likes or new followers. At the last option, you're gonna find new clicks in. And this is it. This is how you know how many new click into your page on Facebook app. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.